Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Expedition Volunteer quest from the Backpacker in Heartopia for the upcoming Call of Whales event. Okay, as you can see here guys, that we need to seek approval from the residents town, and one of them is this backpacker. You can track him through the map. Once you meet him, you can talk to him to start the quest. You can select the Expedition Volunteer quest and then click on Leave It to Me. Okay, and we need to submit 10 branches. If you haven't collected the branches yet, you can just go to the forest and collect this branch, this kind of branch. And then you can go back to him and submit 10 branches to him, and then you will get his approval and you'll get this stamp, and now it's complete. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the Expedition Volunteer quest from the Backpacker NPC in Heartopia for the upcoming Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.